ring finger. Next, I'll use Colores de Carol's Fly a Kite and paint that on my other three fingers, my middle finger, my pointer finger, and my thumb. I'll just remove any polish that's gotten on my skin with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Let that coat dry, and then I'm going to apply a second coat. I did think I would need 3 coats with both of these polishes, but I was actually really impressed with the coverage that I got, so I only did 2 coats. Reverse stamping today, so I'll be doing the outlines with Maniology's Black Magic. First plate I'm going to use is Maniology's MXM054. Start by applying the polish to just the row of flowers on the side of that beehive image. Scrape it and pick it up, and then I'm going to use some Scotch tape to take off any extra pieces of the image that got picked up. Set that stamp aside and clean off my plate. Next, I'll apply my polish to that entire image, pick that whole thing up, and then set that aside. The next plate I'll use is MXM053. From this plate, I'm just going to pick up this small image of the bee and set that aside. I'll also be using Maniology plate 093. From this plate, I'll pick up the image of the tiny little bees hovering over the flowers. I'll also use the honeycomb image from this plate, but I'm not going to be doing any reverse stamping with that one. The next polish I'll use is Maniology Pencils Down. I'll be reverse stamping 4 different images, so I'm going to use one color at a time on all 4 stamps instead of coloring each individual stamp at a time. So I'm going to use this yellow color to just fill in the centers of all of the flowers and all of the bee bodies. The next color I'm using is Maniology Retrograde, and I'll be using that to color in all of the little bee wings. Then I'll be using Maniology Bam White. I'm just going to use this to paint in all of the flowers. I'm going to give these stamps a few minutes to dry, then I'm going to apply a sticky base coat to all of my fingernails except for my pinky. Once that sticky base coat is tacky, I'm going to apply the stamps to my fingernails. Unfortunately, my camera battery died while I was in the middle of this application and I did not notice. So I do not have footage of applying all of these stamps, but I will give you a good close-up of it here in just a moment. So I just did a regular stamp of a beehive design on my pinky finger. I applied the beehive with the bees to my ring finger. I put the B on my middle finger, the row of flowers centered down my index finger, and I put the flowers with the little bees on my thumb. Next, I'm going to take my smudge-free top coat and just apply it over all of the stamps. After that's dried just a little bit, I'll take my cleanup brush dipped in acetone, and I'll use that to remove any parts of the stamps that ended up on my skin. Now, white stamping polish is very highly pigmented, so it is a little bit difficult to remove, so you do want to be careful and patient when you take it off because this will take a little while. After that smudge-free top coat is fully dried, I'm going to take my Moonshine Mani Quick Dry Top Coat and I'll put a coat over every nail. Once that is completely dry, my manicure is finished. Please remember to like and subscribe for weekly manicure tutorials and inspiration. Product links and discount codes are all listed below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.